Umarangkada nitong Lunes sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum ang unang araw ng tryouts ng samang basketball ng Pilipinas para sa Gilas Pilipinas Women's Under-16 team na sasabak sa Division A ng FIBA Under-16 Women's Asia Cup sa darating na Setyembre sa Malaysia. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Bilang bahagi ng paghahanda para sa magiging debut ng Gilas Pilipinas Women sa Division A ng FIBA Under-16 Asia Cup, nagsagawa ng tryouts ang Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas para sa ating Under-16 team. 78 Filipina bowlers mula sa loob at labas ng bansa ang nagpamalas ng kanilang husay sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum nitong Lunes para makamit ang inaasam nilang pwesto sa ating pambansang kupunan.
Together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sa panayam ng PTV Sports kay Gilas Pilipinas Women Head Coach Patrick Aquino, sinabi niyang marami siyang nakitaan ng potensyal na posibleng magsuot ng ating national tricolors.
Just want to say thank you for them coming here and letting them makita namin sila. And it's very important for us, especially we're building the under-16 team for the September. And I'm so happy that there's a lot of people came in, a lot of players came in. There are about 78 kids. Hopefully dumagdag pa tomorrow and just try to choose the best of the best.
Binigyang detalye naman ni Gilas Women Assistant Coach Julie Amos kung ano mga hinahanap nilang kalidad ng manlalaro para mapanatili ng ating under-16 team ang kanilang estado sa Division A ng torneo.
So alam na natin na talagang mas malalaki, mas malalakas na. That's why we have to get more matured players physically. Hopefully we get tall and strong players. And syempre yung skill pa rin natin ng outside shots, yun yung tinitingnan namin kanina. So whatever the materials we have, we just hope na makakukuha pa tayo ng mga talents that could help out for the Gilas Under-16.
Mula sa 78, 12 lamang ang pipiliin para sa ating national team, kaya may mensahe sina Aquino at Amos sa mga hindi pa mabibigyan ng pagkakataon sa ngayon na makasama sa Gilas Women.
Well, sabi ko lang sa'yo, you have to show up. You're so many here and you really got to show how good you wanted this. And I think that's the part of the level na makikita mo kung sino yung gusto, sino yung okay lang. So I think we've seen some players that were possible to be in the lineup, and hopefully we can get to see more, and hoping na yung iba naman na hindi maganda tomorrow. So yung maganda ngayon, hindi maganda tomorrow. So hopefully we'll see them all.
Well, nakita niyo naman kanina nandun yung mga ate nila. They all started just like them. They just want to play basketball. So you just have to continue playing basketball and hopefully you get the chance to improve your skill level and then grow taller as well and be strong. And ang kailangan lang dito is just keep dreaming and then fulfilling your dreams by being competitive, and yung hard work mo lang. Every practice you have to be there.
Ngayong Martes ang ikalawang araw ng tryouts, kaya inaanyayahan ng SBP ang mga under-16 Filipina bowlers na pumunta dito sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum ganap na 1:00 ng hapon upang magpakitang gilas at magkaroon ng pagkakataon na makapaglaro para sa ating pambansang kupunan. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.